How to generate Amazon affiliate link. So on your browser, search for Amazon Associates, and then just click the first result that will show, which is this Amazon Associates Central. As you can see in this page, there is a sign up and sign in option. So when you're new to this program, which means that you don't have an account, you need to click this option, sign up, to create your account. But if you already have an existing account, then you can just opt for sign in. After logging into your Amazon Associates account, open a new tab and go to Amazon.com. So once you go to Amazon.com, you should see this tab above which says Amazon Associates Site Stripe. So this indicates that you are affiliated to Amazon and that you can promote their products. And while promoting their products, you can also earn. So now find a product that you want to promote, for instance, earbuds. So say for example, I want to promote this product. So just click on it and then click this upload icon found on the upper right corner of the picture. So when you click, you would see this option, copy link. So just click that and now you have copied the link. So you can paste the link to your social media accounts to promote this product. And so that is how you generate Amazon affiliate link. Thank you and have a great day.